Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from my kitchen, Meals with Milz. As you can see, there is a box sitting on my bench. I am excited to show you my new blender that I received from Froothie. I want to thank Froothie for sending me this blender, but I am excited. So I have to unbox this blender and show you. And I'm also excited to show you many more recipes that we can use this machine with. It will make our life much easier with cooking. So this is Optimum 9200A blender. Let's go ahead, Enoch, and open this box and show everyone what the blender looks like. Okay, ready? Go. Ta-da! Wow. Here it is, everyone. Our blender. That's what the box looks like. So I'll just turn the box around. Okay. So if you can see, there are a lot of things that we can do with the blender. Okay, so this is Optimum 9200A. It's a second generation high-speed vortex blender. If you can see outside of the box, that's everything that this blender can do. You can do smoothies, fruit juices, you can do flour, healthy frozen fruit ice cream, and the list goes on. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'm sure you're all eager to have a look, see what's inside. On top, comes with about 80 recipes inside this booklet. All the healthy eating recipes that comes with it, and the user manual. All right, everyone, we've unboxed everything, and this is what it came in the box. So we've got the motor here, very strong. And then we've got the jug, it's 2 liters. And the plastic, it's quite strong, heavy plastic. So it's good quality because this is quite, pricey too. So which means it's a good quality machine. The bits and pieces that you use, this is tamper for when you put the things inside. Obviously, this is what you use to try and push down the fruits or the items that you put in the blender, as well as this. Also, I got the bag, a mesh kind of bag. So obviously, this will be the one that you put just to drain out pulp from fruits or whatever you're blending. The recipe book that has over 80 recipes, healthy eating recipes in here. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited to go through it and use some of the recipes in there. Another product that came with it is a free cup, and the lid is pretty strong as well. So that's everything that came in the box for the blender. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will show you something that I'll be using our blender tonight with the opening. So now that we've unpacked our machine and it's all set and ready, I am going to show you, or my son and I will show you our first recipe that we will use our blender. Let me say something quickly on this particular recipe. I have Koko beans, Koko Samoa beans, or cacao beans, which is known to some people. The way we prepare this in the island is we have to cook it, roast it, and then we would use a bowl with a metal to pound it really hard. With this machine, we will blend the Koko beans using the blender and then use it straight away. It's been roasted already and cooked, prepared. Okay, let's go ahead and blend the Koko Samoa. So that's about 2 cups of the cocoa beans. We will put the lid on. Let's go ahead and start, and we will press the hold. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll open it. Okay, and then we'll just use that to stir that around. Wow. Okay, everyone, we've blended our cocoa beans. So I'm going to make a cup of hot cocoa with our blend here. Let me add 2 teaspoons. I'm using 3 teaspoons for this big cup here. It's not 2. If you can see closely, the blend is quite fine, like a powder. That's what this machine can do. So I'll add the last teaspoon to my cup. I'll add hot water. Start with that amount first. And then I'm going to go with 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can always add more. And then I'll give it a good stir. I won't fall for the color of the liquid, because when you leave it for a few more minutes, it will dissolve and it will give a good color to your hot drink. Okay, I'll give it a taste first to see if it's strong enough. It's a little bit watery. I'll add 1 more spoon. I guess it's just like Milo, you know. But why I'm sharing this recipe, everyone, because the way we prepare the cocoa beans in the island, it's a long process where we have to roast it, and then we have to, of course, we have to take the shells out, and then, you know, do the long, you know, pounding with a, you know, piece of metal. And it could take 10, 15 minutes or even half an hour to really get a fine. But, you know, what a way to do cocoa now using this powerful blender. I think my cocoa is ready. Let me taste it. Perfect. So that's our recipe tonight from the blender. Again, if you want to order this powerful machine, there is a link below. Take my word for it. You won't be disappointed. So once again, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes. I'm excited to make my ice cream range using the blender, as well as an authentic raw fish using the fresh coconut. So stay tuned for more videos. Take care, be safe. See you next time. Bye.